Right, so this video we're going to download the dataset and save it to your Google Colab environment. So if you go through the link on this lesson and download the data, you should have your Iris dataset downloaded. I'm going to use the same method that we've done before. First of all, to upload it to Colab. So we're going from google.colab and use the function import files, and the uploaded file is going to be chosen here. So you execute that, click in here, and then pick from your downloads, double click on Iris, and that will pop the data into your Colab for you. Then what you need to do is read this data in specifically to this instance, to this sheet of Colab. So when you use import CSV file, because it's in CSV format, use a with statement. So we're going to open iris.csv as data, return. So as soon as we have that colon, we have a tab for everything that's with the with. Our reader is going to be csv.reader, working on data. And I'm going to produce something on my list, which is going to be what's gone into the reader list by list. So that's our data gone through list by list. Just print that out. Make sure we have a copy of that. Excellent. So what we have is our Iris data. So we can see we've got 4 different measurements on each type. We've got a sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. And then we know what species it is. So if you have a look at one of these instances, you have those 4 values and then what kind of species it is. If we look at the length of it, we've got 151 rows, so we know we've got 150 rows of data because that first row is our titles. And if you read the documentation that's attached as well, it tells you there's 50 of each of 3 different types of irises. So we've got 3 different values on that species as you go through. Okay, so have a go at these questions yourself before you look at the answers. I am going to go through and show you how to change the values to floats and then how to do the analysis on it. But please have a go yourself first to see where you get to. Give it a try because it's the best way to learn. But unlike the workbooks, you know there's a worked answer for you to have a look at. And do remember on the workbooks, if there's anything that you want me to go through or you want to submit your answers for me to have a look at, please do so, and we can do that in a question and answer session. Right. Have fun, enjoy playing with the data, and I'll see you when you've finished.